Are you looking for the best bike repair stands? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best bike repair stands that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Bikehand Bike Repair Stand. Bikehand mountain and road bikes repair stand has made a special place among the economically best stands because it offers a unique mixture of the features like ultra-lightweight design, excellent portability, and uncompromised durability. That is why it won't be wrong to call it one of the best budget bike repair stands, allowing you to repair your bikes at height. Bikehand mountain bike repairing stand is only 12.7 pounds in weight with the 40.55 inches x 8.27 inches x 7.09 inches dimensions. Thanks to the manufacturers for adopting lightweight aluminum and plastic for making its clamps. Also, this stand comes with rapidly releasing screws. You will be able to extend these arms to a full extent of 39 inches to 59 inches. So, you can hold your bike in the optimal position whenever required. This stand has a total weight capacity of 55 pounds, 25 kilograms, and thus it is highly suitable for different bikes. It has a tool plate with a foldable design that you can attach or remove at your convenience. Pros: smart folding mechanism, magnetized tray, highly portable design. Cons: sometimes unstable. Number 2. Park Tool Home Mechanic Bicycle Repair Stand. Park Tool PCS 10.2 Home Mechanic Bicycle Repair Stand is the highest rated and best budget bike repair stand that comes with a highly adjustable clamping system, excellent durability, and great support braces. The good news is that Park Tool PCS 10.2 is a cheaper bike stand despite possessing these excellent features found in comparatively expensive and high-end products. When I purchased Park Tool PCS 10.2, I loved it for any position setting because it offers you a height adjustment feature that reaches 18 inches. It allows you to optimize the height of your e-bike by 39 inches to 57 inches. All the parts of your target bike will be under your control as you are repairing or performing maintenance. This is further aided by the entire clamp rotation at 360 degrees. You can do so by using the rapidly releasing lever. If you are curious about the weight capacity of this stand, then we have a piece of exciting news. It is capable of holding bicycles, fat bikes, and e-bikes up to 80 pounds. Pros: foldability for appropriate storage, excellent stability, remarkable weight-bearing capacity. Cons: noisy when in use. Number 3. CXWXC Bike Repair Stand. If you're looking for a more competitively priced bike repair stand, the CXWXC Bike Repair Stand does everything that a $200 plus stand does but for less than half the price. Okay, so it's not as well built and we wouldn't use it to repair a world-class racing bike, but it's good enough for the average cyclist. It has a maximum load capacity of 60 pounds, has a 360 degrees rotatable clamp, and an adjustable height frame. Plus, it comes with an integrated tool tray, perfect for quick access during your repair. Key features: made from aluminum alloy. Maximum weight capacity, 60 pounds. 360 degrees rotatable clamp. Adjustable height frame. Pros: competitively priced. Easy to set up. Decent weight capacity. Cons: not durable enough for daily use. Number 4. Feedback Sports Mechanic Bicycle Repair Stand. At a reasonable price, the Feedback Sport Mechanic Bicycle Repair Stand is one of the most versatile on the market, and also one of the lightest. This makes it easy to fold away and store, giving you a handy piece of equipment to take on the road. It's a great all-rounder and built to last. This also makes a perfect gift for mountain bikers. Key features: secure spinner knob clamp, tripod legs that keep the stand and your bike stable, can hold up to 65 pounds of weight, Adjustable height from 42 inch to 65. Pros. Can cope on almost any surface. Incredibly stable and durable. Built to be portable, so great for trail riders. Cons. Definitely not built for electric bikes or heavier mountain bikes. Number 5. Yaheetech Pro Mechanic Bicycle Repair Stand. When we talk about sturdiness, stability, securing handling, and balanced position, then no other stand can beat Yaheetech Pro Mechanic Bicycle Repair. This is one of the best budget bike repair stands, and it won't overburden your pocket and will provide you with an excellent range of features found in the expensive stands. When I used this stand, I loved it for its sturdy 4 legs, giving it remarkable stability in sturdiness. If you are an electric bike user, perhaps this is the best stand to go for, since the price of the Yaheetech Pro, and it has an impressive weight-bearing capacity of 66 pounds. Therefore, it will be aiding you in maintaining the majority of the e-bikes. If you are wondering about height optimization, we are glad to tell you that it offers you an excellent range. You can adjust the height from 42.5 inches to 74.8 inches by using the clamp arms. Also, you will be excited to learn about the super storage feature of this stand. The foldability and more accessible storage of the Yaheetech Pro is admirable. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.